shepherd's pie, but not old school, very modern Goan in the making. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I take a nice green spice, Goan in nature, and infuse it with some tenderloin mince, and not forgetting that succulent mash right on top. Highly spiced, so into a pan, dry roasting. I start off with some fennel seeds or soft, about a teaspoonful, about 6 to 8 cloves, 6 green cardamoms, a tablespoon of black peppercorns, and not forgetting a teaspoon of cumin seeds along with some cinnamon sticks. Just dry roast this all together till the scent permeates your kitchen. It's time to grind it along with some coriander and mint. Into my old school blender jar it goes, warm and comforting, and into that goes 4 green chilies, some mint leaves, about just a handful of it, along with some coriander leaves. Just shove that right in. Now we want to scent it with some ginger, so about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger and about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Just blitz this, but you want the Goan scent to come together with some Goan vinegar. So about 20 ml of that to a fine paste it goes. Perfectly blended to the smoothest paste. Into my cast iron, nice and hot, goes a slathering of some cold pressed sunflower oil, nearly 25 ml. And as we allow that to get hot, it's time to infuse it with some red onions. 2 red onions, the large ones, finely chopped up. Go right in, and we're going to sweat it till it gets nice and soft. As the onions begin to soften, now I want some bite-sized chili madness, totally optional, but 3 green chilies finely chopped up going in. And you can avoid this, but this just adds to that overall spice blend. Well sauteed, into this goes 2 tomatoes finely chopped up. And you want it to get nice and mushy and leave out some of that oil. So cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. As you begin seeing little specks of oil coming from out, it's time to take that spice blend and dunk it right in. Look at that bright green color. We're just going to allow it all to saute together and come together. Cook this for another 4 to 5 minutes. Highly scented, and don't miss a sneeze or two with the chili, the coriander, the mint and the garlic. In goes 500 grams of tenderloin mince, and just allow it all to cook together on the slowest possible simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This cooks really very fast. And lastly, sprinkle in some celery sea salt just to take this to an entire new dimension. Saute and switch off the flame. Give it a herby influence of nearly 4 tablespoons of finely chopped mint and 4 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander. A quick stir, and we're going to put this in a glass bowl and nestle some mashed potato on top. Basic mashed potato going on top, and I'm just going to flatten it down. A sprinkling of some celery sea salt on top. And lastly, 1 egg, just lightly beaten up, and pour it right on top. Allow it to go into all the corners, and this is what's going to give it that beautiful golden brown color. But into a preheated oven this goes at 200 degrees centigrade for about 20 minutes. All you need is that top to get that perfect golden brown color. 20 minutes and a much needed cup of tea later, my Goan infused shepherd's pie is ready to be taken out and dug right into. A quick fix, easy peasy dinner ready. Now this modern Goan shepherd's pie goes perfectly well all by itself, or like me, go right ahead, take some sourdough bread, slice it up, toast it, and indulge right into it. I hope you enjoyed creating this one, a simple yet stylish midweek meal, or rather a weekend binge session done right. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.